I dare you to ride the cow.
There's JP. What up? Alright guys, today we're headed out to Willow Creek Reservoir. Should be a fun ride, lots of dirt road. We may make a pit stop by Tuscarora. Let's go! ADV, Nevada. We're headed towards Willow Creek Reservoir. We'll head out here. We'll be going through Taylor Canyon and then we'll turn off like we're going towards Tuscarora, and we'll follow that road all the way through. We'll see what kind of time we make. If we make pretty good time, we'll cruise all the way in and we'll go check out the town of Midas. And maybe we'll come back on dirt. Maybe we'll make the full loop there towards Winnemucca and come all the way back to Elko on pavement. We'll just see how it goes until we get to the canyon. We'll see you later. Alright, here we are at Taylor Canyon. You've seen this before. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 84 degrees today. Spring is here. It's about time. You want to pull over? I think JP wants to ride this cow. You gonna ride that cow?
I thought you said you were gonna ride this cow. Dare me? I dare you to ride the cow. Yeah, I don't think so. You're gonna ride the cow. He's friendly. He's coming right to you. He's coming right for you. Is it a he? It's a he. Oh, it might be a she. I mean, I bet you could ride her. Oh, the others are a giveaway. Yeah. Pretty sure that's a female. She's like, I'm out.
Full on cattle drive. I thought there was a lot of cow pies on the road. That's a lot of cows. Go for it. All right. Oh, there's cow poo flying everywhere. Ah. I'm pretty sure I got a little breeze out of some cow pee. Oh, there's poo flying everywhere. Huh? Oh, of course I am. Hey, ADV Nevada! Doing the cattle drive! Look at that. That one's still wet. I think it just come out. Woo! Oh, the cattle drive. Oh, this one's changing its mind. Changing its mind. Well, how cool is that? ADV Nevada. Reservoir. Maybe even really cares if we get there now. That was cool. That was the first time I wrangled up cows on the BMW. Well, it looks like there's still a little bit of snow over there. Hopefully we can still make it over that mountain. We'll just have to see. There's another biker back there at the Lone Mountain Station. He was telling us that everything's pretty dry coming from the north end in. So we'll see how it is over here. I gotta be honest, that cattle drive was super cool. Couple of city slickers. Oh no, those are antelope. Look at them. Boy, they're just full on cruising. 30 miles an hour. Antelope can run. Look at this. Yeah! Oh, look at him. 37 miles an hour. Still just going. I'd be out of breath. I'll tell you that right now. So it's a beautiful ride up here. I think we're going to be okay. I don't see any taller mountains in front of us, and I don't see any snow. I think we're going to make it all the way to Willow. If anybody wants to GPS track any of my rides or anything like that, don't be afraid to hit me up in the comments or find me on Facebook, and I'll be sure to get them to you one way or another. A little creek running. I don't know what happened. It used to be so much bigger. Not sure what this was. It's a four-wheeler and side by side. Oh wow! All burned up. Damn, that sucks. Oh, that water's definitely low. Alright, full battery. Let's get some drone footage of this Willow Creek Reservoir. Check out that dam. Pretty awesome. Oh, it's windy. Shutting her down.